It's been officially confirmed a small earthquake just minutes ago in Henrico's West End startled some folks. Welcome to the news at 6. I'm Bill Fitzgerald.
And I'm Janine Samuels. Let's send it right out to Chief Meteorologist Zach Daniel, who is in the Backyard Weather Center. It has been confirmed. You mentioned it as well. We didn't feel it here, though.
Yeah, it's interesting, the reports that I'm getting, and just kudos to our Central Virginia viewers because, man, they have their finger on the pulse. When something happens, they let us know all about it. And I've gotten a lot of reports from people saying their house shook to people saying they heard a loud boom but didn't really feel any shaking. And then I had a person in Beaver Dam, the epicenter of this, said she didn't feel anything at all. So interestingly, it was centered near Beaver Dam in northwest Hanover County. The magnitude was a 2.8 and it occurred at 5:28 p.m. So a little excitement on this Tuesday afternoon that had nothing else to offer in terms of weather.